Google introduced Chromebooks as a low-cost alternative to what Apple and Microsoft offer, and now Google is shaking up the laptop market once again with Googlebooks. But this time, it's all about AI. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. A Googlebook is a premium laptop powered by an Android and Gemini-based OS with the desktop feel and built-in security of Chrome OS. It's basically like a Chromebook, but with more Gemini-powered tools built in, along with access to the full universe of Android apps. One of the AI features Google has teased is Magic Pointer. Shake your cursor over an image, and the system could surface contextual AI suggestions for things you might want to do with it. Shake your cursor over an email with event details, and it might suggest adding the information directly to your calendar. But the biggest advantage is it's built on Android. Google's Senior Director for Laptops and Tablets, Alexander Kusher, described Googlebooks as no-compromise laptops designed for anyone with an Android phone. Googlebooks are expected to launch this fall in time for the holiday shopping season. Google confirmed launch partners, including Asus, Acer, Dell, HP, and Lenovo, while Kusher said the laptops will ship with either x86 or ARM processors from Intel, Qualcomm, and MediaTek. Googlebooks are going to be more premium than Chromebooks that have always had an image problem. No matter the materials, internal components, or display quality, a lot of people still think of Chromebooks as the cheap plastic laptops kids use at school. Googlebooks are designed to change that perception, pairing a more capable operating system with premium materials and higher-end components. But Googlebooks are not replacing Chromebooks entirely, as the new ones currently have 10 years of support. Plus, you've got millions of students using them daily, and given that Googlebooks are premium devices, it's unlikely they'll replace Chromebooks for education anytime soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.